There's also growing concern that social enterprises will really struggle in the wake of this pandemic if the government scraps the funding resource. The Social Investment Tax Relief Scheme has previously helped small businesses across the Midlands flourish, but it might not exist next year, as Catherine Reid reports.
Just like the lambs, the students here are always hungry for more.
Brilliant, well done.
Wildgoose Rural Training in Worcestershire is a care farm, and it helps adults with learning difficulties.
Today I'm doing weeding around the shrubbies. I enjoy doing loads of gardening and going out.
It's really helped with my mobility and my balance, and just getting out to nature, basically.
But this centre in Harlow is only here today because of a government tax relief scheme that's now under threat.
A weed is any plant that is in the wrong place.
Without the scheme, which meant they could borrow money at a favourable rate, they too would have been weeded out.
The money was critical to us. It saved us. We used to be in a straw bale building where I had to clear the sparrow muck off my desk in the mornings before I started work. But now we've got a lovely site and a centre that is tailor-made for our students. Just to see people's lives unlocking is incredible, and that's why schemes like this are so important, because they help people, and surely helping people's got to be important.
Well, it's certainly helped these people in Belper in Derbyshire too. They used the scheme to reopen their local pub.
SITR was really important to us because it meant that a lot of our bigger investors were able to invest 30% more than they would have done because they knew they were going to be able to claim 30% back.
The Social Investment Tax Relief Scheme works by giving private investors a 30% tax break for investing in social enterprises like the Spotted Cow. The investor can either buy new shares or give the business a loan.
If the tax relief isn't extended, essentially we will lose access to millions of pounds worth of capital to help social enterprises and charities reach more vulnerable and disadvantaged communities across the Midlands.
As it stands, the scheme is due to expire in April 2021. The Treasury told us they will announce a decision on its future later this year. But places like this hope it will continue, so that they too can keep on giving. Catherine Reid, ITV News.